The dough wraps, the mozzarella melts, and your mouth can't believe what just happened. We roll a sturdy cone out of foil. We cut the dough into strips about 2 centimeters wide. Wrap them around the cone, press them down, poke with a fork and let it rest for 15 minutes. We bake it in an air fryer or oven with fan mode at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit for 15 or 20 minutes. Let it cool a little, squeeze the foil, and voila. We chop the basil, then the garlic, then the onion, then the pepperoni sausage, and finally cut the mozzarella into cubes. On top, we sprinkle salt, oregano, and pour in the tomato puree. We toss everything into a pan and cook for 1 or 2 minutes until the mozzarella starts to melt. We fill the baked cone with the hot stuffing, a unique, crispy, aromatic cone-shaped pizza.